proclamation of the kingdom of God, wherein Jesus, in order that we may be understood by his listeners, he uses parables, and some of his disciples cannot understand, but he said, ito ay itinago sa mga maalam mo, kundi inihatag para sa mga tao na ay innocently na panguna-una. So, it was said that you cannot understand what is the meaning of the kingdom of God if you are trying to be brighter than God or more intelligent than God. For sure, you will not see the kingdom of God. But if you try to keep your pride and submit yourself to Him, then it will be easier for you to understand. And in here, especially for this morning, Jesus said to his disciples about the kingdom of God. And for him, he compared it to a person who tried to seek, to find, and to buy. And should try to remember that this person is not just an ordinary person. Kumbaga sa kuha, siya ay na siya'y kasarang, na siya'y medyo may kaya kunti. Kaya nga sinasabi siya din, when he finds it, he finally buys it. Kaya mas maganda, or it's better to try to see the meaning of these words wherein Jesus Christ was trying to speak to us, especially when he says that this action of this merchant is to seek. Naghanap siya. Kumbaga, sama sa isa pa researcher trying to scan all the topics about what he is trying to research, and then when he finds one, then stick it and trying to find some sources about it. Kaya ganito na lamang yung kanyang kaligayahan. And he was so happy with it because he finds something which is very important in his life. And secondly, what is the action is that when he finds it, then he said to himself, this is the one that I'm looking for, this is the one that I'm searching for. But he didn't stop on searching, but rather he made the important action, which is really very important for us to see. Then he buys it. Yung term na ginagamit pa ay ginamit niya ang lahat ng kanyang kayamanan para lamang makuha niya ang kayamanan na ito. Sabagat sasabi niya sa kanyang sarili na matagal ko nang hinahanap ito at ngayon ko lang natagpuan, although it is pricey, but yet, di ba ganun tayo na minsan, although na this pricey ang isang bagay na nagugustuhan natin, we'll try to find this in order that it will be ours. Sabagat alam natin na ito ay mayroong kahalagahan sa bawat buhay ng bawat isa sa atin. Ang pagpapahalaga nito ay kailangan na makita natin na ito yung pagpalaga na inibigay para sa atin. Nang makita na niya na this is kind of a supreme value para sa kanya, then talagang hinanapan niya ng paraan. Kumbaga, kasi ang lahat ng kanyang kayamanan ay mauubos na, but yet, he finds something para lamang maging kanya. Pero wala naman nilagay na talagang nagpakamatay siya para lamang makuha ang isang bagay na yun. Hindi nilalagay na naghanap siya ng paraan Kumbaga, although na naubos siguro ang kanyang kayamanan, but yet, for him, it is really very important. Kaya kung makita niya ito ay napakasaya niya. Kaya nasasabi ko niya na siya ay masaya sa kanyang natagpuan sapagkat sasabi niya na ito na nga ang nararapat. Ito na nga ang narapat na matagal ko lang hinahanap at tingin ko lamang natagpuan. Kaya yung tinatawag natin na sa bandang huli ay tingnan natin kung paano yung tinatawag natin na the process of letting go. Yung to let go of that he has na para lamang na makuha niya ang perlas o para lamang makuha niya ang isang bagay na ito na minsan ito yung sinasabi natin na mahirap para sa buhay ng bawat isa sa atin. To let go of something na mahalaga natin na mahalaga pero mayroon bang mas mahalaga. Kaya ito yung tinatawag na ang maghahari ng ating Panginoon Diyos na kuminsan sasabihin natin na nasaan ka ba? Yung mga nakikinig kay San Pablo noong unang panahon, sila ay nagsasawa na. Kumbaga, tinanong na nila si Pablo, sabi nila, matagal mo na isasabi-sabi na darating ng paghahari ng Diyos, ang kaharian ng Diyos. Pero naubos ng lahat ng aming kayamanan. Kumbaga, si Pablo ay nasisisi pa nila. Nasisisi pa nila si Pablo sa dahil nila mga sasabi nila, you told us that God will sell all what we have and give it to the poor because the kingdom of God will be ours. Kaya pagkalayo ang kanilang pananaw, the idea of the people is different because they are trying to see what is really the visible one. Yung kitanahan nila yung katulad ni Santo Tomas na if I cannot see it and if I cannot touch it, then I won't believe. Yun ay nahanap nila. Pero katawag sa atin na sa ngayon, ang kaharian ng Diyos ay hindi natin makikita. Yung nakikita kung ikaw ay sa kanilang buhay na papayag pa kayo. In which na nobody or only few will say that, okay, we will go. Kaunting tao lang ang gagawa nun na they're going to let go of their life in order to see it. Pero katawag na to let go of something which is very important ay ito ay mas mayroong kailangan pa na para sa buhay ng bawat isa sa atin. Kaya nga kanina ang bungad ko ay tayo ay nahihirapan because we cannot just simply go on because we want to stay. We value something in here, pero the kingdom of God is greater. Kumbaga, saan na ba ang pipiliin mo? Ang paghahari ng Diyos o ang paghahari ng sarili? Kaya sa ngayon, isa lamang ang gusto na malaman ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo. You know already where the kingdom of God is. And each one of us are aspiring for it. And each one of us wanted to be there. But we don't want to go the process. So let us now ask the Lord, He will always enlighten us and enlighten our minds to be able to understand and let go